Meaning of fridge.
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 Fridge. Fridge is short for refrigerator, a household appliance used for storing food and drinks at low temperatures to keep them fresh for a longer period of time. Typically, a fridge has one or more compartments with shelves and drawers for storage, and can be either freestanding or built into a kitchen. Some common features of a fridge include temperature control, adjustable shelving, and a door that seals tightly to prevent cold air from escaping. Overall, fridges are an important and convenient tool for keeping food and beverages fresh and safe to consume.